Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube channel video. So today we are going to do a DIY storage box, and I bought this yarn at 30 shillings each, and I ended up using like 6 pieces. I bought these glue sticks together with a glue gun at decor, and they were ranging at they were on sale basically, so there was a 30% discount. And last we are going to use is a carton, and this is the carton of my choice. So you can use any kind of carton of your choice. Just doing a DIY for you guys. So first and foremost, we are going to layer the glue on the yarn. You want to be generous with the glue so that it completely sticks to the carton. Also, please note that on the last video, like I told you on DIY, the glue is very hot, so you want to be very careful because it is a hot glue gun and it uses electricity. So behind the scenes is just me watching some clip because we are going to be here for quite a while, and I ended up using more like 40 minutes in making this one carton box. So we are going to repeat the process until we get onto the top of the carton. I will let you enjoy the video, and kindly, if you haven't subscribed, kindly please do subscribe, and if you haven't turned on your notification bell, kindly please turn them on because they will notify you anytime a video goes up. So thank you to the new subscribers, karibuni to the family. Thank you to the returning subscribers. You guys have just made this channel grow and grow. So thank you so much everybody, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Whoa. blacking out, fractures fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Blacking out, fractures fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet.